welcome to another TA Tech Tip. Today I'll be giving an overview of the new TRIOS EasyMass feature for the Discovery DSC, which allows you to automatically send mass data from your balance directly to TRIOS. Until today, the DSC sample preparation process has involved weighing your pans and samples, writing down those values on paper, and then rewriting those masses into the instrument software to set up your experiment. With TRIOS EasyMass, pen and paper is eliminated from the process. A balance is connected to the computer by a USB cable, and on-screen instructions guide users through the sample weighing process. With the press of a button on the balance, mass values are transferred and stored in TRIOS. This is repeated at the balance for the entire sequence of samples to be weighed. When you step back to TRIOS to finish experiment setup, you will already have an entire table of masses ready to go. To start using EasyMass, make sure you have the latest version of TRIOS and that the EasyMass feature is enabled in TRIOS options. Navigate to the EasyMass tab. Here you can add a series of samples or reference pans to be weighed. Click Add Sample and fill in the sample name and pan position. If you are weighing a reference pan, check the reference pan box and enter the pan type. When you are ready to begin weighing, click Start Weighing. A flowchart will appear with the weighing steps for each sample. You can now step over to the balance. Instructions will be shown on the balance screen. To begin, press Tare. If using a DSC 2500, you will be instructed to load a pan and lid. If running in T1 or T4 heat flow, you will skip the pan weighing step. When you are satisfied that the weight is stable, press Add Result. The name and position of the next sample to be weighed will be displayed. Now add your sample and press Add Result again. You'll see as you do this that these masses are added to TRIOS. Set the pan in the auto sampler tray and then press Tare to begin weighing the next entry. Repeat this process for each row in the table. When you are done weighing, come back to TRIOS. Each entry you just weighed is now marked complete. If there were any mistakes or you want to reweigh an entry, you can uncheck the complete box. Whenever Start Weighing is clicked, any entry not checked complete will be sent to the balance for weighing. During weighing, you can disconnect from the balance by clicking Stop Weighing, and any values already captured will be saved. You can reconnect to the balance and finish incomplete entries anytime. When you're ready, click Send Completed to Design View. This will create a run for each completed sample entry row in the EasyMass table with the mass filled in. Any reference entries will instead be loaded into the reference tray configuration, ready to be selected as the reference pan for a run. From here, just finish filling in the rest of the run information as normal. The Design Run tab is the default view you are probably used to in TRIOS, while the Design View tab shows all runs in table form. One tip for this table is that you can right-click a cell and select Fill Down Selected Data to quickly fill in experiment parameters for all tests. For example, if you want to use the same reference pan for each run or the same test procedure. With the Discovery X3, there's just one additional step after weighing. Before sending to Design View, you will create groups of up to 3 samples for each run. A dialog will appear, and any completed sample entries will be listed. Click the arrow to group up to 3 samples together into one X3 run. Edit the sensor positions if desired. Then add that group to a run entry. Keep making these groups of 3 until you are finished with your list, then send these experiments to the Design View. You are now ready to finish setting up the experiments like normal. In this tech tip, we gave an overview of the new TRIOS EasyMass feature for the Discovery DSC, which simplifies and speeds up DSC sample preparation. Please stay tuned for more helpful tips from TA Instruments. Thank you.